so good to be here with you again, Barbados. I was here a few years ago. At that time I was a little bit hoarse. This time I hope to be a little bit canary. you believe in love? Do you believe in love? So each one of you should be a child of love. Yes? Alright. This song is called Big Up to Butter and Obi. Produce this one.
Things differently, but I will let you be. I won't hate you 'cause you're not like me. Child, child, child of love. Child, child, child of love. I see everybody as one, whether you're black or white, yellow or brown, or the styling of your hair, or even 100 billion friends is equal to the love we should share. Be a child, child, child of love. Be a child, child, child of love.
Sing for me.
Child, child, child of love.
Let me hear you.
Child, child, child of love. Child of
I see what's happening. I think you're like my fellow Jamaicans. When you don't know a song, you just... But you can appreciate the lyrics, can't you? And the melody, even though it's the first you're hearing it. Come on, man. Give a little love, please.
Mr. Loverman, I can wait.
Come over here.
Yes, Miss Lady and our white top enjoying it. That's right. And Mr. Morning is white. Buddy, I see you, I see you. I wanna share your life. Every minute, every day. I want you to know that whatever you do, and wherever you go, someone loves you, honey. Take it out, take it out, take it out. Let me hear you. Oh, you sound pretty good. Mix me for this one. Someone loves you, honey. Ooh, no matter what, I just want you to be okay. Someone loves you, honey. More than. Shall we do one more chorus? One more chorus, because this is the one I got the most movement from, okay? Here we go. One more time. Here we go. Someone loves you, honey. Ooh, yeah. No matter what, just be my guy. Someone loves you, honey. How about a little soca? A little soca. Maybe that's what. Someone loves you, someone loves you. Someone loves you, someone loves you. You like that one? Back to reggae. Someone loves you, honey. Ooh, yeah. No matter what, just be my girl. Someone loves you, honey. More than anything.